Hey guys, I'm back again. Today I just want to give you an up close look. This is the Orbital Random Sander 5" by Bosch. And guys, well, I currently been using it, as you can see back here on this cabinet. A minute and a half, 2 minutes to sand this left side of this door. And guys, I haven't had any problems with this Bosch sander yet. It did come with this fancy little Bosch bag, and of course an instruction manual with an actual sanding disc, and well, maybe even some kind of Bosch warranty, guys. But to give you an up close look, it also came with this vacuum line. If you didn't want to use the actual filter canister on here, you would simply pull it off, and the vacuum line simply slips right on above. It is a inch and a quarter on one side, inch and a half on the other. So if you wanted to switch it over, you could, guys. Simply attach the vacuum hose to it. But I've yet to use a vacuum with it, guys. This canister is real easy and simple to use. As you can see, it catches all your dust and any other thing that might pass through your sander. It does have the filter on the end, and you can see it actually catches the dust. Easy to dump, easy to clean, guys, keeping it maintained. Simply stick it on, press down, and it clops, and you can hear it, and you can slide it right back on the sander. Also, guys, this is a variable speed. As you can see, I got it on 6, which is high. It goes all the way down to 1, and that's your different speeds. Real simple, easy to use, guys, no problems there. It does have the actual sanding disc or the Velcro type, which it has the slick flat pad. Easy to change if ever needed to be in case you tear your pad, so no problem there as well. The discs are simple to put on, line up your holes, and guys, it'll work just simple like that. Really lightweight. I really enjoyed using this Bosch sander. Like I said, I sanded that cabinet door less than 2 minutes. It works really good. This on and off button's right here on the end, so if you wanted to grab it, it was easy to cut on and cut off. Simply plug it in. Real simple to use, guys. It's not real loud. As you can see, you can cut it up and down right here with the variable speeds, so that was great as well. It is random spinner, so you won't have no swirl marks or any kind of that indistinctions on your cabinetry, your wood products, or anything else that you're sanding. It worked well for me, guys, and so far I really enjoy using it. It's definitely a big upgrade to the other one I was using. I do got a battery powered one, but as long as I got power, I will always use the actual plug-in model, just because it simply, you ain't got to worry about your battery dying or any other problems like that, guys. But guys, I definitely recommend this Bosch 5" orbital sander, and you should give it a try. Thanks, guys.